Take a ride in the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.